Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shantina, and let me start off by saying Happy New Year to you. We made it. We made it through 2022. So now 2023. All right, so today let's talk about multi-collagen complex and whether or not vegan collagen really exists. And I also want to talk about the future of this channel and what I have planned for this channel for 2023. 2022 was a great year for me. I was able to learn a lot about different levels of collagen peptides. I've taken different brands of collagen peptides, and I must say that they all were successful. And I also learned a lot about self-care and how to incorporate collagen peptides with my self-care routines. And I'm so excited to share them with you. So while I've been on a mad hunt for vegan collagen peptides, I ran into another form of collagen peptides. It's called multi-collagen complex. This includes type 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this, my friend, is by far my favorite. I've been taking it now for about 2 months, and I feel like I'm just seeing or feeling the effects from it a lot quicker. And I'm gonna say it's working really good. And I haven't done any different as far as how many scoops I take of this or how often I take it. I take it once a day, 1 scoop, like I have done all the others. And I do want to say that this is much better for me. So this form of this multi-collagen complex has hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptide, hydrolyzed fish collagen peptides, and chicken bone broth concentrate. It also includes vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C is a good vitamin to take with the collagen peptides because vitamin C is a building block for the collagen peptide. And hyaluronic acid is just good for the moisture and plumping of that skin. And it does that. And this collagen peptides again has types 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I will leave it. I'll leave on the screen what each complex is good for. So because of that hyaluronic acid, the plumping of the skin, and it does wonders for the hair, your gut, your joints, your skin. You can see why now it's my favorite. Okay, so vegan collagen peptides, do it exist? I'm going to say no. I could be wrong, but I have looked for like 2 or 3 months straight trying to find collagen peptides in a vegan form, and I just haven't been able to find it. Went online. I went to health stores. I went to vitamin shops. I went to GNC. I was on Amazon a lot and just searching Google, and I wasn't able to find it. However, what I did find was vegan collagen boosters. And what that is, just a supplement that you can take that helps boost the collagen that you're already producing. And this product allows you to boost the collagen that you already have producing in your body. Whereas the collagen peptides is a product. A hydrolyzed collagen is a product that produces or help produce collagen in your body that you've already lost. And by adding the vitamin C, it's a building block to help that collagen production bind together. two completely different products. And I would say maybe if you were, under the age of 25, or you're not necessarily using the collagen peptide for like bone, for joints, using the booster will probably help you in that sense. But if you are just losing collagen because of age, you want to use the collagen peptides. I hope I just did not confuse the hell out of you. So like I said, I wasn't able to find the collagen peptides, but if you know that it's out there, because I'm not saying that it's not, I just couldn't find it. But if you can find the collagen peptides, please drop the link in the comment section so I can go and do the research and possibly purchase it and see how it weighs against the collagen peptides that has, bovine, chicken, or fish in it. So what is to come of my channel moving forward through 2023? Am I going to continue to take collagen peptides? Yes, I am going to continue to take collagen peptides. Like I said earlier, I learned a lot in 2023. I was also able to learn how to incorporate collagen peptides in my daily self-care regimens, how I'm able to incorporate it into my food, and so forth and so on. And I just want to share that with you, give you a couple of tips, help you along the way. I really hope that you continue this journey with me and see what else I have to offer you. And I hope you stick around and take this journey with me. And of course, if you have any ideas or if you want me to do any particular videos, please let me know. I am very open to cater to what my audience want to see. You let me know what you want to see and I will produce that for you. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video that I put up. It is free. Liking this video is free. And don't forget to leave a comment. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I promise it won't be too long. I'll see you later. Bye.